Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Sannutha and I create content on productivity, personal growth, organization and a lot more. So if either of these is something you are interested in, please do consider subscribing to my channel down there and also click on that bell so that you can be notified every single time I drop out a new video. So, most of us really like to stay organized because there are a lot of advantages by staying organized and we all know that too. But yeah, I also have a separate video here that gives you a more clear idea about organization and also its benefits. I'll drop that link in here and also in the description below. Go check that out after watching this video. Though sometimes we know all the benefits of organization and the importance of organization, we tend to feel so much difficult to get started and take that little steps to have a more organized life. So today I have some habits that will definitely help you to have a more organized life. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first habit is that put it away now. Yes, this is a phrase you have to remind yourself every single time you are done completing a particular task. What I basically mean by this phrase is that when you are done completing a particular task, make it a point to keep the things that you have used onto the right place right then and there itself. Yes, this might seem a very easy or simple habit to have, but it's really hard and also has a great benefit on your life. Stop having the thought that, okay, I'll keep this thing later in their place even after their work with you is done. Because most of the time what happens is that we complete our work and don't consider it important to keep the things back into the right place. And then we take breaks and just procrastinate. So, when we never get every single thing back to their place right then and there itself, at last everything just piles up and you feel so much unorganized. So, always remember to keep the things you have already used on a particular task right to their place then and there itself. And the second one is don't rely on your memory. Yes, I really mean this when I'm saying this because you might think that you have a good memory, but no, that doesn't always help you. What most of us do is that we feel like, okay, I can remember all the things that are to be completed today and then why to write? But no, don't do that because that doesn't always help you again. It's always better to write down things or tasks that have to be done on that day because writing down acts as a great reminder for you and it helps you in completing all the tasks and stay organized. You might have heard your elders or teachers saying you to write anything which is hard for you at least for once so that you can memorize it easily. In the same way, writing down your tasks help you to memorize them and also it acts as a great reminder for you every single time you see it. So definitely consider it very important that you write down every single task that are to be completed on a particular day because relying too much on your memory doesn't always help you and sometimes you might even forget the most important thing of the day. And the third one is clean up regularly. Yes, definitely make it a very important thing to clean up regularly and every day because that helps you so much in having an organized life. Make sure you give at least 20 to 30 minutes in a day to clean up. It may be cleaning up of anything, your room, desk or even your entire house. Just make sure you clean up regularly so that things just won't pile up and that makes a huge mess and makes you feel so much unorganized and lazy. So clean up for a bit every single day because that helps you so much in saving time and also have a super organized life. And the fourth one is carrying a small notepad. This might sound a little bit weird for you, but no, there's a lot of advantages by carrying a small notepad every time you go out. Yes, having a small pocket-sized notepad with you wherever you go, let it be your school, college, office, wherever is very important in having an organized life. Use this to write down your things to buy, to-dos, random thoughts and carry it wherever you go. You can also write down things like what you have heard or read, notes about something fascinating, an idea that you got while traveling, or the money you have spent on that day. This will help you at the end of the day so much in reviewing your day and also in journaling. And this will definitely help you in having a more organized life. And the fifth point is having a routine. Yes, as a lot of others say too, having a routine is very important in having an organized life. Sticking to a routine helps to automate tasks that you need to get done because doing something every single day will make your brain more happy and help you create good habits which eventually also help you to stay organized. So always remember that having a routine is very important and it helps so much in having an organized life. So that is all for today's video guys. Hope you like this video and this was helpful for you. So if this video was helpful, please do consider giving this video a thumbs up and also comment down below other video ideas you would like to watch on my channel. I will definitely try them out. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.